How are you, everybody? Just showing you the cleaning process at the moment. As you can see, Dad's down there on the road cleaning. There's a guy here with a whippersnipper, and he's cutting down all the grass, all the weeds, and then he's going to do all that section up the hill there. And it's going to be here pretty much all day, I presume. He's actually behind the house there now. I'll show you the final product once he's done, but it's going to take him pretty much the whole day, and it's going to cost my dad about 60 euros, I think. Anyway, stay tuned for more. Yep, and have a guess who gets stuck with the cooking duties. I think we're cooking up some, I think it's some goat. My dad cut it up, so I have to look after it. Basically let it bring to the boil, and then the first lot of water will get chucked out. Then we'll add in all the vegetables and God knows what else we've got in there. Okay, here we have country style goat with vegetables. Boiling at the moment, so there you go. Got goat meat in there, pieces, chunks of meat, as you can see. I think we've got carrots, capsicum, onions. Now we're going to add rice to it, but we don't think it's going to fit in the pot. But yeah, slowly cooking away. Okay, here we have the after. Basically the guys finished cutting the grass all up on the hill there. Most of it's just dumped there, so he's just going to have to let it dry a bit. He's also done the front here, and he's dug it up a bit for the old man, so I'm not sure what the old man's going to plant here, but he's dug it up a bit, cleaned up the front. Let's go walk up here, see what, hopefully we don't run into any snakes. Okay, so just walking around having a look. The old shed up there. Okay, so it was a fair bit of work. Fair bit of work involved. So that's the view from where we're looking at. A bit overcast and cloudy today, but yeah, the guy went pretty much for 6 to 8 hours today, whippersnipping everything and digging around the front. He's also tried to put in a toilet cistern. Actually, it's just, yeah, it's not the toilet, just the top part. What do you call that? The tank, the water tank. And yeah, he's put that in, but the pipe doesn't match up with the old toilet seat. So he's going to come back tomorrow and with a couple of parts, and then hopefully he'll have to glue it in. But that's the old shed. My dad's got a few tools in there. Don't know, a couple of ladders up to the back fence there. But all this grass here now is going to dry out in the next few days, and then my dad can rake it all into one area. So just walking up here and have a look. If I see a snake, I'll be the first one to run out of there. So there's a big fence up the top there. Let's go have a look. Do a bit of exploring. Apparently here at night pigs come through, wild pigs. So little fence here. Not sure what's on the other side. Let's have a look. I'll just say, oh, it's just not much on the other side. It's just all tall grass by the looks of it. Okay, so we're pretty high up here. Okay, that's enough of that. Anyway, catch you later.